Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you saw, we did some stuff in the Bronco there. If you're wondering what it's like doing a restoration, a 78 Bronco popped up for a bunch of parts on Marketplace. So I just worked 9 hours on the ice. I'm friggin' dead, but I know these parts are gonna go fast. So it's 6:30 right now, on my way, half an hour drive to go get some parts, and then I'll be back. That's what you gotta do when you're doing a restoration. If you want the parts, you gotta get there first, especially with these around where I live, so they're pretty rare. All right guys, we're working on covering this hole right now. We got Glenn and Jared in the house. This guy's going nuts. Dude, can you make it look good, please? Close enough. That's the whole build right there. So guys, we got this in. It's all ready to roll. It's actually bolted with one bolt right now. I'm gonna go get some hardware, and what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna paint the other side, but on this side I'm just gonna write enough, close enough. So I think that'll be pretty funny when you open the engine bay. It just says close enough. The sign said sidewalk closed, but it's pretty funny. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that, add some character to the engine bay. Engine bay isn't anything special, so it's just kind of funny. Picked up some black hardware so you can't really tell from the interior. And I also sprayed this. That's the interior side there, just all black. And then this side, I thought it'd be awesome, like to just kind of give it a flatter look, not so like, it's freaking white. You open the hood, it's super like right there. So this kind of blends it in a bit, but you can still see it says close, and then I just wrote enough, close enough. I think that's the name of this build, honestly, because when I took it for a rip the first time, I remember saying it's close enough or good enough. So I actually kind of like this. The name of the build, I think, is called Close Enough. I think it's freaking hilarious. It's all bolted up, the black hardware. You can check it out. Just clean, closes up. When we drove this thing, guys, it was so hot on the legs. It was insane. Headers are right there. You're getting pure exhaust. So now with that closed, we can actually have someone sitting in the passenger seat. We got lots more to do. I put this on. Somebody commented on my video. I know I've talked to him before. I'm one of my buddies, and he gave me like 3 things that I should do. And a lot of you have been telling me what I should do. And I actually had this from the F-150, and it was just like on my shelf. And it's a breather cap. So it has airflow out through it. So someone said put a breather cap on it so you don't blow through gaskets. So I had that. The other thing was carb, vapor lock, fuel boiling, if that's the same thing, I don't know. But like you guys give me lots of stuff, so I appreciate that. I'm just still diving into it. I haven't really solved anything, but I have definitely changed some stuff. I fixed the shifting, guys. The shifting is perfect now. We can only just keep working on it and hope for the best. I've just been working away, guys. I've just been listening to music. Didn't really feel like recording this, but check out what we're rocking here. Fully rebuilt door with all the seals, all the hardware. We just have to do the body work and put a mirror on it and paint it. But we got our handle in. We have a working lock. These are the original locks from the Bronco. So the green emerald Bronco that this was. And then I have the key. The Bronco came with the key, so the key fits in here, which is mint. And I have a working lock, so that's perfect. Open her up. She's a little tight right now. We gotta adjust that. We got, as you see, locks go up and down. I have the key, it's just not on me. Vent window works. Seal, new seal in there. We got our actual window. I got my guy here. Fully functioning. Just money, guys. Beautiful fit. Everything is new. We got the felts there. We got the felts on the inside, the felt all the way down. Felt on that side. Everything is new. I'm so happy with this step. I've had these window components just sitting over there for like so long trying to finish this. Finally got some motivation, and it is almost complete. I'm gonna order some mirrors for this thing. I'm just gonna bolt them straight through the back. Like there's no point of doing the rivets and stuff. Like I don't really care. I just want something that'll work. So we'll put them through, drill the holes, and then just screw it in on the other side. That makes the most sense. It's super easy. Also painted the top there. just before I put all the seals in and stuff. It's all painted up. Looks pretty good, guys. So I'm excited and I want to keep going on this thing. I'm getting excited again to get it out one day. This is my pristine top. This is one that'll get the seals in the windows. Way nicer, no cracks, no nothing, ready to go for windows and stuff. However, I have an extra top. There's Callie. I have an extra top this was one that came with my Bronco, but it is destroyed. Like here, this is completely bowed up. It is not even worth saving except for the channel in the rear. So what my idea is, guys, I saw this picture and I loved it because it makes the truck look finished. Because when you take the top off this rig, it looks amazing, but it also doesn't look finished. There's holes that are shown. There's like the roof channel, or like the roof gap. We do have damage here, which sucks because this is gonna be part of it. But I'm just gonna chop that and then we'll see it go about like caulking or something. Just fill it and press it back in. And as far as this goes, we could do some fiberglass. I'm not too worried about the way it looks. It's just an attempt too. This might not even work. There it is. That actually looks pretty good because I actually was able to kind of follow the shape of the roof a little bit. Wow, that's exactly what we wanted. I was able to keep the channel. This channel was perfect. And I was able to keep the channel and the plastic there. So now we can throw this away and get rid of some more stuff that's just taking up the yards. That is a great use of a old piece that I was just literally just gonna throw away. That is awesome. Like, I love the way that looks. It looks so cool. Like that just, something about that makes the truck now. Like it makes it look finished, although the roof's off. Like that is so sick. So this one definitely has some damage that we're gonna have to work on, but I think what we do is just chop. So we chop to this line right here because this chunk makes no sense. Put her in place with some clamps. That's beauty. Obviously we'll paint it black and make it stronger. But wow, that is awesome. So I cut this straight and then I cut that chunk so it's like flush here. Looks a lot better. I kind of butchered this cut. That side's good. I have to tidy this one up. But I zap strapped it. So all I did, guys, like everyone was saying, oh, you got to put those like nut things in. I just drill through this and put a bolt through it. I have zaps right now because I don't have long enough bolts, but I'm going to go get 8 bolts that'll do the job. Like, that's why I didn't put those nuts back in these new quarter panels because I figured I'd do it this way because I'm a genius. But yeah, zaps are working perfect right now, just to hold it in place while I was doing the cutting and drilling. You guys can see what I did. There's 4 on each side, so I'll get 8 long bolts. Now I can actually bolt her down. If you have an old canopy that you're gonna trash anyways, you might as well use it. I think this looks awesome from here. It just looks like finished. The white actually looks good for some reason. Like it kind of fits with the interior and it shows you like another level of like a trim. So I don't know, it's kind of cool. Let me know what you guys think. I actually cleaned this up. Now you can see what it looks like completely finished. So I took that lip for where the window would sit, completely got it clean, shaven down. Still needs to be painted, but it's nice and smooth. Just got to do the top there, but the other side's basically done. And then we are tearing down our front diff again because the first time I did it, I didn't realize the inner seals were not holding the fluid. So the driver's side was leaking diff fluid out the end. This side was fine, but I'm just gonna do them both to get new stuff in there. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. This build is non-stop. I did drive it that one time, but now the weather's getting super cold. I don't have defrost, so it's gonna be kept in the garage for a long time until I get it up and running again for next summer or spring. So thank you guys so much. Catch you in the next video. Peace.